Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and even before we dive into the awesomeness that is the Walgreens preview for the week of the 6th to the 12th, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Well, it is simply a terrific app. You shop anywhere, even go get yourself an Egg McMuffin this morning, photograph that receipt, and you're given points towards gift cards. It is that easy. When you photograph your first receipt, you're given 2,000 points, which is $2. You can do that today. The kicker of why this is such a great app, they often have free items on their discoveries page. Closer to Christmas, they always have like 3 or 4 really cool freebies. Fingers crossed they have that again this year. And as you can see, guys, $5 Dunkin' Donuts gift card. So if you scan a bunch of your receipts, and if you're a couponer, you're probably sitting on 6,000 receipts, photograph a bunch of them and get yourself a Dunkin' Donuts gift card this afternoon. So if you're interested, check out the link in the notes and don't forget to use my referral code. Okay guys, so looking at the cover here, we have the gifts of the week. We have a bunch of toys on a buy 2, get 2 for free. Some candy, but I like to see free candy because, that's how we roll on this couponing page. At the bottom, there's a little like Santa thing. You can get up to $30 of Walgreens cash when you spend a different amount. And we're going to go through that. So this little coupon started working last week. And how this works is you have to go in the store, spend $5. It could be $5 of manufacturer coupons if you wish. And then you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Once per store card, this expires on the 31st. This also showed up last week as a digital, or you can get it from the flyer. And I believe you can get up to $90 of this Walgreens cash for this little dealio. So you can do it multiple times. It says it in the fine print. Alternatively, you can load this digitally, or could scan it from the flyer, whatever they might have at the store. And if you look at the fine print, it says up to $90, so you can do it in a couple different transactions. But the $5 reward when you spend $25, that's the specific one that we're going to look at for the purposes of this video. So, guys, first thing that we're going to talk about is this little deal that I showed last week. And this actually ends on Saturday. So if you were thinking like, oh, I'm going to go, next week and do it, the price of these candies are going to go back up to 2 for $10. So it's really going to diminish the free aspect of the candy. If you look where that arrow is, it says good through December the 5th. So that's the last day. So the 2 for $7, that sale price is done as of Saturday. So do this deal before then. Okay, so the gifts of the week. This really has my attention. 50% off of these Starbucks kits. So if you have somebody who's impossible to buy for, this is definitely a really great gift starting at $6.49. How wonderful is that? Okay, and we have the Yankee Candles for $14.99. Man, that is expensive. The original price is $30. Soap and Glory, that makes sense. The original price is $40 and it's down to $19.99. So those are the gifts of the week. And the first deal that we're going to talk about is either the Viva or the Cottonelle. It is your choice. This is a great price point because these are usually like $9 for one. Use this. So if you haven't used it, you can use it. This is once per store card. Grab a Cottonelle for $5.99. Pay that out of pocket. Get back $5 of Walgreens cash. So 99 cents, nothing better than that. And for this, you must pay cash for the balance or use a register reward. Do not use your Walgreens cash because you will not earn it. I'm very sure you can either use manufacturers, register rewards, or cash. One of those 3 for this goofy booster. Okay, so this next little guy here, $4.99. When you buy 3, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. If you can purchase 3 in your store, maybe ask. I know that a lot of places, there's strict limitations on paper products. But, if you can try and swing it, why not? Let's try and throw this guy in if you might have it on your store card. Here it is, grabbing 3 of the bounties, or you can get a mix and match if you wish. Please make sure you have that $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 5. And then you know what I would do? The Godiva deal last week, present 3 $2.50 register rewards. That's $7.50 off right there. You'll pay $7.47 out of pocket. Get back your register reward plus your Walgreens cash, making this free, plus a $2.53 money maker. Okay, now that you have all that paper products, how does some free Betty Crocker cookie mix sound? On the coupons.com app, we have a $2 back. That's fantastic. So at the store, $1.29, that's the online price, but in store it might be a little bit more. it might be the same price, but $1.29 you would pay for that. And then with the coupons.com app, make a submission for $2. So the final price point here is free plus a money maker. So one per coupons.com account, but how fantastic is that? Okay, so this is a really good deal. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on these products. Because the word spend is in there, I'm going to assume you have to spend cash for the balance like the old ways. I did a deal like this last week, and that's how I did it, and it actually worked. So we're going to actually throw in this little guy too. And so we're going to get the cashier to scan it. We're going to have this $7 digital loaded. Hopefully you have it. And then this $7. So these two awesome coupons. Okay, so looking online or online to store, these are $12.99. So grabbing two of them, both a men and a women's, that's $25.98. That Santa Cash or whatever it's called, make sure you get the cashier to scan it or have it loaded digitally, plus the two $7, subtracting $14. You're left with paying $11.98 cash out of pocket, getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the Gillette, 5 for that Santa buck thing, making it free plus a $3.02 money maker. Cannot stress it enough, guys. You must pay cash for the balance for this one because this is a spend offer. Okay, so for this next dealio, we're going to be going with some Nexus Hair products. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. For this deal, you must pay cash for the balance, not negotiable. So to make this deal extra great, we're going to throw in this little guy. I'm calling it a Santa buck, but whatever it's called. This little booster, either have it loaded digitally or get the cashier to scan it at checkout. It's your choice. I would load it digitally because I'm pretty forgetful. So grabbing two Nexus Hair products at $13.99 a pop. The hairsprays are pretty inexpensive. So that is $27.98. Subtracting the one digital manufacturer plus one from the Retail Me Not of December the 6th. You're paying $17.98 cash out of pocket, getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the deal, plus another 5 for that Santa buck thing. $2.98 for the two or $1.49 for each. Pay cash for this one and fetch rewards. Nexus is a big part of their catalog. You will get back extra points for that purchase. So a little food for thought for you right there. Okay, so we have a deal here for some free toothpaste. $2.99, 50-cent coupon, and then a $5 register reward when you buy two. This is one item, guys, especially if you're new to couponing, you should never pay for is toothpaste. It's always free on a deal. So in the Smart Source of December the 6th, we have this little 50 center. Looking at the math, grabbing two of these Colgates, that's $5.98. Subtracting 250 centers from the Smart Source of December the 6th, that shaves off $1 right there. You're left with paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this deal on its own, it is okay to use points to pay and you will still earn your register reward. Now looking at this little deal on Oral-B or Crest, so it's your choice. Go with the toothbrushes because free toothbrushes are the best kind of toothbrushes. $3 a pop. There's a 3 off of 2 digital. Then you get back a $3 register reward when you buy two. So going through this again, guys, grab toothbrushes. Two of them is 6 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital. You're left with paying 3 out of pocket, getting back your $3 register reward, making this free. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. The register reward will still print. If you're doing this deal on its own. So what a great one. Okay, now let's throw in Father Christmas booster into this. So get the cashier to scan it. We're also going to grab two of the OLAY body washes, so bar soap or body wash. We have a nice 2 off of 2 digital coupon plus $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. So a little Merry Christmas to you. These guys are usually $6.79 and we're going to get it down to next to nothing. Make sure that you have this digital coupon loaded. And we're just going to jog through some of the last deals and then toss it into this deal. So hopefully you can follow my drift. So we're going to be grabbing two of these Colgate toothpastes. And then with that, the digital coupons I just showed you in the last couple of slides, two of these toothbrushes, and then grab 2 Ajax or 2 Dawns or one of each. It is your choice. If I was newer to couponing, I would grab 2 Dawn, or yeah, I'd probably grab 2 of the Dawn dish soaps. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, 2 of the Olay body washes is $12 on the nose. 2 Colgate toothpastes, $5.98. 2 Oral-B toothbrushes, $6. 2 Ajax detergents or the Dawn, $1.98. The total for this basket is $25.96. Get the cashier to scan that Santa booster or have it loaded to your store card. Digitally, you're subtracting the 2 off of 2, the 3 off of 2, plus 250 centers from the Smart Source of December the 6th for the Crest. You're left with paying $19.96 cash out of pocket. You're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, $8 in register rewards, and then $5 for that Santa booster. So the final price point here for your basket, guys, is $2.96 for the 8 or 37 cents per product. For this deal, you must pay cash for the balance. How great is this? Okay, so this little deal floated back, and it's 4 for 8, and it says must buy all, but that means you must buy 4 of these. So if you wanted to get 4 things of Bounce or 4 things of the Downy fabric softener, you don't have to buy every single one of these on the bingo list for it to ring up for that price point. People always get really confused with that, and I agree, it's kind of confusing. So whichever laundry products you wish to grab, 4 of them. So 4 of the P&G laundry products for $8 on the nose. If you were going really hard last week with those little Godiva deal, throw in 3 of those register rewards. That's $7.50 off right there. You'll pay 50 cents. So that's great. Now, if you don't have any register rewards to toss in, you can always use points. Use $5 in points and pay 3 out of pocket for 4 products. That's a really great deal. Okay, guys, let's talk about some honorable mentions. The first one, it's on these Walgreens bags. Buy one, get one free, so the worm has turned. So it's usually $2.79, so it'll shake it out to $1.39 each. If you remember, for the last many months, it's always like buy one, get 2 for free. So I guess they've changed things around a little bit. And then the I think these are called Patriot Candles. They're pretty big. Buy one, get 2 for free. So if you do the math of $9.99 divided by 3, it's $3.33 per candle. Hey, that's 3 Christmas gifts. The Heineken and Stella Artois, I don't know how to say that. They are $12.99, and there's going to be a $5 mail-in rebate that comes out of the Catalina machine. You have to mail it to the manufacturer with your receipt and some pertinent information about your purchase. Basically drops us down to $7.99, and this is once per household. And the Revlon OLAY, $15 of savings only for you. So I think that's going to show up on Sunday, and then a $3 register reward when you buy 2. And the promotion for this good stuff is on a buy one, get one 50% off. So until Aunt Rach gets to look at those coupons, we're going to wait and see what happens. And then the Blue Diamond is on a buy one, get one free. I know there was like a $1 coupon or something like $1.50 off of 2 or something like that for those in a recent Smart Source. If you love almonds, this might be a great deal for you. And 7-Up Canada Dry, $1 a piece, when the original price point is usually $2.19 for each. That's some pretty good savings. And then a buy 2, get 1 for free on the Ocean Spray, always a great thing to have in your pantry. The bacon, 2 for $8. This is also part of the Fetch Rewards catalog, so photograph your receipt and get extra points for this one. And this is really inexpensive bacon. And the Coffee Mate, this is a flyer coupon, or you can load it digitally, 2 for $4. And this is a 16 ouncer, so that's not bad. I think at Meijer, these are usually closer to $3 for one. And then the meal of the week is to make some homemade meatloaf. And $2.99 for a pound of ground beef. That's a really great price point. You might never think to buy groceries at Walgreens, but sometimes they do have fantastic deals for food. And here's a great example of that. And then also another fantastic soda deal, 3 for $10.99 for the Coca-Cola Pepsi and 7-Up. Let's not forget too, Pepsi is part of the Fetch Rewards catalog. So if you are a Pepsi drinker, you photograph your receipt and you will be like laughing all the way to the bank with all those points you're going to earn from that purchase. And holiday toys for kids, buy 2, get 2 for free. How great is that? So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.